Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. My name is Rupinder, a PT trainer from Career Zone. So I'm back with the rest of the most important question types. We are done with the speaking part. Now we will discuss most important question types for writing module. For writing, most important question type is essay writing. In this one, you have to write 200 to 300 words on a given topic. In this task, it's important to show structure, coherence, relevant ideas, grammar and vocabulary. There will be only one essay, but it has high weightage. Next is summarize written text. In this one, you have to read passage and write one concise sentence summary, at least 50 to 70 words. In this one, key focus should be on main ideas, paraphrasing and grammar. It contributes high scoring in writing and reading. Next is write from dictation. It appears in listening section, but it contributes also writing scores. It has very high weight and strong focus area. If I talk about focus areas for writing, so you should avoid rigid templates, because now, according to the new updates, now scoring penalizes formulaic content and practice spontaneous idea organization. In this one, you should work on grammar, vocabulary and linking words to get 79 plus scores. Next is reading. It has several question types, but few are much more important. The first one is reading and writing fill in the blanks. Highest weight of writing. In this one, you have to type missing word based on grammar and meaning. Strong vocabulary and context prediction help here. Next is reading fill in the blanks, which also called drag and drop blanks. It has high frequency and scoring. You have to choose the best word to complete the text. If we discuss about reorder paragraphs, multiple choice, multiple and single answers. So these types have lower weight but common. So it will be good to do practice of these questions as well. Now we will discuss listening highest value questions. The listening section has many tasks, but some carry significantly more impact. First one is summarize spoken text. In this one, you have to listen lecture or dialogue and you have to write in 50 to 70 words. In this one, you can get high scoring when your content, grammar and vocabulary are strong. Highlight incorrect words. It tests your careful listening and reading. These are useful for quick extra points. Listening fill in the blanks. It's a great way to boost your score if you can predict correct words based on context. That's it for the most important question types. I hope it will be really helpful for you to make your practice more easier. And for your more help, I'm showing you some question types in which you need to spend more time. This topic has two parts. If you have not watched part 1, so kindly go to our description box because the link of that video is given here. And go and watch there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any queries, so feel free to comment us. Bye bye. See you soon.